Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Otter.AI for free on a phone. Open your Google Chrome browser. Next, you want to search Otter.AI here. Then you can find the Otter.AI site top of all. So go to that website. Now you can see this start for free option here. So tap on it. Next you want to click this get started option. Now choose any option to sign in. After you choose the option, then you come to this page. So skip this option. Next you want to choose one of these options. Then click this next button and again skip this page. So now we completely create our Otter.AI account correctly. Now you can use Otter.AI for free on a phone. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.